Load it up, 76!
Alright guys, this is the CNC cutting process. So the first thing that Dimitri does is he hooks up the machine to Mach 3 using this blue USB. Then what he does is he sets the 0. He wants to set a 0, right? Okay, so Dimitri's gonna start by picking a spot as a 0, and he's gonna move the router to that spot. Alright, so now that we have set our 0, the next step is to run the bore cut, which is gonna make the holes. So Dimitri is loading that up right now. Okay, Dimitri is starting it. This is gonna go through and make all of the holes. Alright, the next step is going to be... Alright, Gabriel, this is where I need you to come in. Alright, so our next step is going to be... We want to first put wood screws into all of these holes, right? So then we can fix it down onto the thing. And then we're going to run the next cut, which is going to be a combination of the adaptive and the contour. For this cut, we do not have an adaptive, but it's a similar case. So we start by cleaning up the area, and then the next thing we want to do is get a drill. We want to take our drill, we want to put in wood screws into at least 2 holes in every cut. Yeah, we can cut this. Alright, so now that... Oh, this is a little bit blurry. Alright, so now that we have screwed down all of the gussets, right? The next step is going to be to... if you want to switch out the bit, then you are going to switch it out using these 2 wrenches. Denise, can you bring the 2 wrenches out just to show them? So you would switch it using the 2 wrenches, but in this case we're using the same one, so we do not need to switch it out. And if you were going to switch it out, you're going to also need to reset your Z0, but same thing because we're not switching it out. And so the next step will be to turn on the mister, because that is very essential for any cut involving a contour or an adaptive. The mister is essential. All right, now that we have done this, we're going to load our... Go this way. We're going to load the contour G-code. We're going to give a quick prayer to God.
Hey, we're starting, boys.
And we're gonna start. there you have it. We've successfully cut 4 gussets. Let's go. I hope this was somewhat educational. The next step will be to clean this up and to take out your parts and to admire your work.